six of them. Next, this right here, on the third one, line it up with the other holes, screw them in, 1, 2, 3. And then next you put on these 3 slots, make sure they're all facing to the left. So make sure it's facing up towards you, meaning that that line is behind there, meaning that you have the 3 holes right there on the side. Make sure these are all tabbed going to the left. Put these ones where the plastic rings go. Okay, put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got these 3 right here that has the flare going to the right. You put 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so number 8, you're gonna have to do like this, where the hole is facing you. For number 8, then you take the little wood stick. You put the wood stick in there. Okay, next, put them all, these, the little sticks, on the left hand sides of the holes. Then you're gonna put in these all inside the holes. And then we're gonna place number 4 on top of it. Okay, so you basically just line it up with the holes, and then after you line it up with the holes, then you're gonna tighten each one of these B's all the way down. Exact same concept. I always leave the stickers on the outside, and then as you can see, just so that way you don't see it once you put it together. Same concept, you put the little D's right there on the back when you zoom out, like that. And as you can see, you just tighten them down, and there goes your 2 tiers. Put your little bump stocks, 2 in that row, 2 in that row, 2 in that row. Slide the boards in. Make sure you tilt it onto the little bottom, and then you just slide it in with these on the outside. Put your 6 of these in the plastics. Then put 1 screw right there and 1 right there for the L brackets. Then next you'll take these right here and you're gonna put them in each one of these holes. Make sure you do it facing up so they'll connect. Next, put 2 pegs there, 1 here, 2 pegs down there. And then I'm gonna put this board. Remember these hooks? We're gonna go right there on the hook side, and then we'll tighten it down. And then it'll look like that. Next up. So you got 12, 11, and 13. You're gonna put it together, that's 14. That base is gonna go in there next. There goes your screws for them right there. You have two on one side, 2 on the other side. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got all 6 of them assembled. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. So you're gonna do the exact same thing on 9 and 10. That's what it looks like before, that's what it looks like after. Once 2 done, we're gonna do this last 3rd one. Alright, so after you put in the board, then you put on the 2 right there, and the 2 right there. And you simply just slide it on there, and then tighten it down. So we got the 9s up on top, and we got the 10s down here at the bottom. Moving on to the next step. Alright, so we got all 3 of the number 9s done with the DL and the DR. Driver, drawer right, driver, drawer left. Now we'll do the number 10s that we got left over. So they're all done, as you can see right here. And now we're just gonna go ahead and put these clips right here to make it more rigid. 2 on each side, so it's a total of 4, 8, 12, 16, just like that. So you just go ahead and put those little plastic tabs up in there, as we said in the previous step, and that's how it looks on all of them. And then you have this right here, so that way you can scoot it as close as you can to the wall. And then you can put some anchors in there to help hold the drawer.